Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make carrot soufflé easy method. Start by steaming 4 cups chopped carrots until very tender, then drain well and mash smooth. Fold in 2 beaten eggs, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, salt, and 2 tablespoons melted butter. Gently stir in 1 cup breadcrumbs and optional spices. Transfer to a buttered dish and bake until set and lightly golden, about 25 to 30 minutes. Warm the kitchen and prep ingredients in a friendly, relaxed way so you enjoy the process. Measure 4 cups carrots, 1 cup milk, 2 eggs, and 1 cup breadcrumbs before you begin. Keep spices simple. A pinch of nutmeg, salt, and pepper to taste. Melt 2 tablespoons butter and stir it in to enrich the mixture. This keeps the soufflé tender, flavorful, and easy to serve alongside main dishes. Preheat your oven and prepare a buttered baking dish while carrots steam. Mash carrots thoroughly and combine with milk, eggs, sugar, melted butter, and breadcrumbs. Gently fold ingredients until evenly mixed without overworking the batter. Pour into the prepared dish and smooth the top. Bake on the middle rack until the surface is set and edges are slightly golden, then let rest briefly before serving warm to maintain the light texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.